Kwiktech, the ultimate DIY steel frame shed connection. Connects flat for cladding. Diagonal bracing locks the framework perfectly square. Gillian roof design for adaptability. Tension strapping similar to wood frame construction. Framework designs are engineered and rated. Framework builds itself square with the diagonal bracing. Ground fix lasts for efficient and faultless builds. Clad directly to your framework. Kwiktech is the ultimate DIY steel frame shed connection system.